and today we're going to talk about why your positioning statement is so important and how you can create the most impactful positioning statement for your business. Tech startup companies, they need to have a positioning statement to understand who to target, where they're going to find those people online or offline, and how to keep messaging consistent. Hi, I'm Amanda Rabideau, founder and CEO of Arch Collective, and most of you don't know, I'm a product marketer by my background. So I have created many positioning statements, whether for product launches or for launching new companies. And today we're going to talk about how you can create your best positioning statement. But before we do that, let's talk a little bit about where this fits into messaging overall. Let's dive in. Unlike value propositions, positioning statements exist to drive the direction of all aspects of your marketing. These statements must be clear yet concise, and they need to contain enough information about your brand, your goals, your differentiators to create an impactful message. This positioning statement says how, as a company, you're going to be able to deliver on that all-important value proposition. Without it, marketing becomes aimless, unfocused, and ineffectual. How that should translate to you as a founder, if it's all of those things, it means you're wasting money, which you don't have the luxury of doing. So now that you know why a positioning statement is so important to your marketing and to your business, let me take you through step by step how you can build your positioning statement. While every startup is unique, these steps I'm going to take you through will help you create a positioning statement that's unique to your company's mission. Step 1, define your who, what, and why. What's your story? Why does your business exist? What are your goals? Answering these questions will help you create a completely unique positioning statement to help you stand out from the competition. Every startup has their own unique story, even if their offering is similar to other things in the market. So tap into that story and figure out what's unique about you, and it usually comes from answering those questions. Second, list your differentiators. You know what makes your business unique, so make sure everyone else does too. List out every single thing that makes your tech offering preferable to the alternatives. And if you get stuck, pick up the phone and talk to your existing customers. They're a great source to tell you why they bought from you and not the competition. Don't have any customers? No problem. Go out there and conduct the market research yourself. There's so much information available that you can start to learn from what other companies are putting out there and see what they're doing versus what you're doing. Next up, understand your target audience. Creating an ideal customer profile can help here. You want to use language and address pain points that will be meaningful to the customers, the investors, the stakeholders who will see this positioning statement. Remember, your positioning statement is largely for internal use, but it will drive your client-facing content and materials. Next up, include brand identifiers. Make sure that your positioning statement includes brand pillars, goals, identity, and this is a great place to include your mission statement as well. This helps ensure that all your marketing efforts fall in line with your branding and your company goals, and include your corporate values as a primary aspect of your brand. And last, address pain points. Above all, your positioning statement should address how your brand, product, or service deals with client pain points and addresses them. What job does it do for them? How does it make life easier or more enjoyable? Does it save them time, money, both? The final word. If you're struggling to get this written document together, consider using a more visual-based tool to create your positioning statement. Studies show that using tools like vision boards can actually help you create and get together what you want your positioning statement to be, even if the end result is a text-only document. If you need help creating a positioning statement or some other aspect of messaging, we would love to help. Book a 15-minute introductory call, and we can talk more about where you have some marketing challenges and if Arch Collective is the right fit for you. And as always, if you like this type of marketing content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We put out videos every week, and we'll see you next time.